welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with OQ Hair once again. It's the same packaging as before. Love it down. Very clean, very professional. Everything is organized. So let's get into what is in today's package. So obviously the first thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into. Okay, and there were a few goodies inside as well. So I got a pair of lashes. I also got a pair of wig caps, the adjustable elastic band, and a information card. All right, and then there was also a branded elastic band. Now this is today's gorgeous wig. This is OQ's 13x6 drawstring lace front wig. Okay, it's a silky straight hair texture. As you can see, it's at a 1B color. This is 26 inches long. Did I mention that? It's also listed on a bag, as you would have seen initially. But look at that texture. It's buttery, silky smooth, guys. So good. OQ here, I don't question this company. This company consistently delivers. It's never inconsistent with them at all. And then inside of the cap has this like fake scalp vibe to it, so it's gonna give even more of that very realistic look at the scalp area. And as I said, it's a drawstring wig, so the security is gonna be on 10. So that explains all you need to know. Yes, it's a glueless lace front wig, and that's exactly the type of installation that we're going to be doing today, a glueless installation. So this is perfect for my beginners and for the people that are busy but still want to look very cute and put together while not taking all day to get it done. Yeah, so as you can see, the lace tapes were attached to the ear portion there, and this part you want to make sure stays in place. So it's good to use like the tapes on the sides, and this comes in so clutch. It works perfectly, and I just press that down for a little while until it's super secure, and that's all it is to it. You do not need any spray, any glue, none of that. It is so easy and so straightforward to do. I need you guys to get into the pluck work of that hairline. You see how realistic that looks? They don't play when it comes on to overall quality and construction of a wig, and that's what I respect with them. You're getting your money's worth, and yeah, it definitely shows. I'm so happy I got my hands on this wig. Like, oh my gosh.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out.
So I proceeded with adjusting the drawstring in the back, which is very easy to do. You want to go ahead and just adjust that to how tight or loose you want it to be, and you tuck away the excess string beneath the cap. That is all it is to it.
Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
I pretty much got into my first hair look that I wanted to do. I did like two little ponytails at the top there in the center. Was really easy. You could feel free to go ahead and explore so many different styles with this wig. It's literally a 10 out of 10.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show.
So that was style number 1, and now I'm doing style number 2. Basically just did like the hair in 1 no instead of 2, and then I'm gonna do like a cute little bun, and I left 2 pieces in the front, and that's it.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
For the final look, I just got my hot comb along with the wax stick, and I got the top really flat, and I just wanted to go ahead and rock this with its bust down middle part vibe. So that's literally what I got the hair ready for. I went through it afterwards thoroughly with my flat iron, so you guys will see that in a few.
Take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
But yeah, guys, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself or for somebody else, the direct link to it is in my description box. All the specifications are listed as well. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this wig is absolute butter. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And the shedding was also minimal. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.